Well, hello everybody. I have the Orly 1970 Spring 25 collection. This is my first time getting the Orly Color Pass, and I'm excited because Orly is celebrating their 50 years, and I am just celebrating my 50th year, so we have something in common, and I love the 70s. If you can tell by my intro. I really love these colors. I'm so excited. I have to get the Orly Color Pass because I tend to not buy creams or collections. I tend to just buy the shimmers and the glitters in a collection and don't buy any creams. So my collection is lacking in creams and glitter. I mean, sorry, not glitters. My collection is lacking in creams. So I thought this would be a good way to get some good creams in my collection that will kind of fit together for nail art. So let's take a look at this box. I got a little dotting tool here. The dotting tool is really nice. It's going to be good for reverse stamping. And then the little pick tool will be great for picking up these beautiful glitters. These are some smiley face glitters, and they also have some little dots and half moons in there from, I guess, where it's punched out. So now let's get to it. This is well packaged, so I'm very impressed with the packaging. It's a little slide out box. And then you can just open the lid and there's those beautiful, beautiful polishes. The polishes are packaged in a little foam mold of that polish. So this will definitely keep them from breaking and shipping. Having a little bit of difficulty getting it out. You see? Nice and thick. Good packaging. I'm going to keep this box as my first ever collection box. Well, let me go and get these all out and let's look at them. This first polish is Bohemian Child, and this is a white base, almost like a white crelly, with a touch of gray in it, it looks like. I'm going to pull out my Orly Point Blanche to compare the base coat. Well, not the base coat, but the base color. Point Blanche is brighter, so the base of this one does have a little bit of gray in it, and it could be because the little black glitters in there. I don't know how this is associated with the 70s, but it is associated with me because I love cookies and cream, and that's what this reminds me of. I love Oreos, and I love cookies and cream. It's one of my favorite things. I'm going to swatch this. It takes 3 coats on my little swatch nails here, and then I'm going to put on I think this only needs one good thick coat of top coat. The glitter is spread pretty good here. This next polish is Shaggin Wagon. This is described as an almond nude polish. I think this is a really, really pretty color. I think the undertone is very neutral for this, so this would be perfect for nail art. And I think it looks really good with my skin tone. This color I'm pulled out is P2 Flirting with Myself. This is one I always reach for if I want a nude, like a mannequin hand. But I think this one is almost close. I think it will be flattering with my skin tone. I'm not really wearing nudes, but I think it'd be great to wear, under art or, to paint in art to fill in. Because I don't have a lot of these colors. So I'm glad I have this. I would just not buy this one if I didn't get in the collection. Orly has a fantastic brush. It's flat, it's round, it loads the perfect amount of color, and the polish layers, they just level so easily. On my swatch nail, I'm doing 3 coats so I can get full opacity for my swatch book. I mean, this polish dried glossy nearly, and the top coat just made it shine. This next polish is Hunky Dory, and it is described as a mango cream. It's a bold and groovy mango cream. Another fact about me is I love mangoes. It's one of my favorite fruits. So, yeah, I think this collection was made for me. So I pulled out my orange Zoya cream, and I think I only have a Zoya orange cream, and I have another one, but it's more neon. But this Zoya is kind of close. I think the Orly has a touch more yellow in it and maybe a little more dustiness. But yeah, I think this is a beautiful color. I'm excited to have this one. I'm going to paint this one in 3 coats. This is a shade that I probably wouldn't buy out in the wild, but I love that these colors work together so I can use them together in some nail art, and I don't have to think about, oh, what should I pair these colors with, because it's already done for me. So I'm excited to have this. And I can't wait to see what Orly has in the next box. I can't wait. This next polish is Bell Bottom Blues. Orly describes this as a powder blue with a green shimmer. It says it takes you back to the heart of the 70s fashion. Well, it does take me back. This polish takes me back to my mom. This polish reminds me of the blue eyeshadow that my mom put on her eyes when I was little. So back in the 70's, my mom wore a lot of blue eyeshadow, and I just remember that. That's a vivid memory I have. I am going to paint 3 coats over this nail swatch, and I think this is a beautiful shade. The shimmer is very subtle, and you really don't pick it up, but it just adds something extra. It's almost like a background color when you look at it in different lighting. This next polish is Night Fever. It's described as a dusty coral cream. It says it's reminiscent of those late night disco days. I pulled out the other orange that I have that I think is neon. This is Color Club, called Jaws. And anyway, these look very similar in my lighting here, but on my hand, Color Club looks very, very neon. So, and I'm just going to bring them all together so we can see all the colors together. I think this one is my favorite of the collection. I love this shade. This is, it's just a touch dusty. It's not very dusty at all. It is beautiful, and I think it looks really good on my skin. This polish was my favorite to apply. I guess because it's also my favorite to look at. I am doing 3 layers, 3 coats, with a glossy top coat on my swatch. This is very juicy. It is, it reminds me of, it reminds me of like nectarines. This is a very summer polish, and I can't wait to wear it. This next polish is Acid Trip. Orly describes it as a flashback to the psychedelic era. This fiery red-orange glitter has all the retro feels with a modern sparkle. I have Frost Smitten by Orly, and I have Untouchable Decadence. As you can see, Orly Acid Trip does lean more orange-red, and I think it's beautiful. It's different. This is a beautiful glitter. My husband loved this color on my thumb. So on my swatch now, I'm going to do 3 coats, and I'm going to do 2 layers of top coat, but I only recorded 1 layer because I wanted it to dry down so I can put a second thicker glossy layer on top. This is beautiful. This will be great for accent nails. This would be great for the fall. I swatched this one on my thumb. This is 1 coat. It swatches different on the thumb than it does on the swatch nail. 2 coats does not give me coverage. I would even go as far as saying 3 coats wouldn't give me coverage. So I would recommend, if you want full coverage and you want to get complete coverage all over the nail, to sponge this one on. You probably can apply this better than I can, so. But this is a beautiful polish. And you can also wear it over something that's similar in color. So these are the polishes on my nails. I think they are beautiful. They look good on my skin tone. The ring finger, I have 2 coats on that one, 2 coats on my pinky, 3 coats on my middle finger. I have 3 coats of Bohemian Child on my index finger, just because I was having trouble getting those little glitters on there. And then I have 3 coats on my thumb. I think these look good. I can't wait. So I'm going to take you around and show you these polishes in different lighting on my hands, and I'm also going to show you what they look like on my little swatch nails as well. I did my thumbnail, but I left it in. I didn't notice it until I was editing. So let me bow out and let you look at these beautiful polishes. Well, those are my polishes that I got from the Orly Color Pass Spring 2025. I'm so excited to have these. I am going to do a retro day manicure with these later in the month. And do you guys have Orly Color Pass? And if you do, what is your favorite Orly Pass color collection? Well, I'm going to go now, and I hope you guys all have a great day. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.